still room where the world feels far. He sits beneath a single star, breathing slow in the gentle night, waiting for a spark of light. Then a whisper moves within, soft as air against the skin, a thought that rises calm and clear, carrying a truth he needs to hear. In the quiet hour, a new vision starts, shifting the rhythm inside his heart. One small moment can open the way, turning darkness into day. He used to chase falls away and leaves this space where ideas bloom like hidden seeds, answering long forgotten needs. What arrives is pure and bright, a guide that forms without a fight, leading him towards something new, showing him what he must do. In the quiet hour, a new vision starts, shifting the rhythm inside his heart. One small moment can open the way, turning darkness into day. A single thought can begin anew.